7 changes you'll experience within the first month of the keto diet. Right now you probably don't think this will become true. However, it is. Within a month, you're going to start feeling less hungry. The keto diet is known for making you less hungry. You may not notice it for a while, but it will happen. I love not feeling like I have to eat every 2 or 3 hours and completely forgetting about food. Number 2. You may experience the keto flu. When it's time for your body to kick it into high keto gear, you may experience the keto flu. This is when you experience your body going from burning carbs as its main fuel to fat. The keto flu is when people experience headaches, muscle cramps, and tiredness. For me, this only lasted a day or 2, and it wasn't that bad, while others say it was miserable. I think I may have just lucked out with minimal symptoms. However, I did feel mildly nauseous and dizzy each morning when I woke up for a couple of weeks, but that went away too. Number 3. Not eating enough fiber. On your previous diet, you may have noticed you had no problems going. On the keto diet, you may need to be extra mindful of getting enough fiber. Fiber helps you to go. Number 2. Since I have started adding Perfect Keto MCT powder to my coffee, I have not had these kinds of issues. Here is an exclusive link that gives you 20% off any Perfect Keto product with code KASEYTRENUM. The price you see is the discount price. Number 4. Insulin levels will drop. If you're used to experiencing highs and lows with your insulin, that's about to change with the keto diet. When you're in ketosis, your insulin levels are known to drop. This means the keto diet is doing what it's supposed to do. Your body is using fat as its primary energy source, which will hopefully help you lose weight even faster. Number 5. You won't feel as bloated. Bread and other carby foods will make you feel bloated, and there's no argument about that. With the keto diet, you cut out a lot of foods that make you feel bloated and gross. Not feeling bloated is an excellent side effect of the keto diet the first month. This was a biggie for me. I didn't realize how bloated I used to feel all the time. Number 6. Your gut will shrink. Even if you don't see yourself losing a lot of weight the first couple of weeks, you will notice your gut shrinking. A lot of the foods that are full of carbs tend to go right to our gut. Switching our body's energy source to fat helps reduce the size of your gut. Number 7. More energy, eventually. After you get over the keto flu and dive into the keto diet, you will have more energy. People who are on the keto diet say that they have way more energy than they did before the